Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Now we are going to discuss about attempt strategy for SBI Clerical Mains Exam. March 4, 2024 SBI Clerical Mains Exam will be there. So in before 25th February 2024, two shifts are completed. Shift 2 was little easy than shift 1. Both are same but 5 to 10 marks variation will be there. So in these shifts, GK was very tough. 25th February 2024, GK was very tough. Other three subjects are easy to moderate. So I'm planning for March 4, 2024. I'm giving best attempt strategy and scoring strategy. So you have to watch till end of the video, don't skip. So before going into the topic, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. All are watching my videos but not subscribing me. I am given already this strategy, but all the videos has been deleted from YouTube. So please support me, like, share and comment. I am struggling for you and I am giving best strategy. So thank you for subscribing. Let's start the video. Here we have four subjects in mains exam: quant, reasoning, English, GK and current affairs. These are the four subjects. Quant has 50 questions, 50 marks, 45 minutes. Reasoning has 50 questions, 60 minutes, 45 minutes. English has 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. GK has 50 questions, 50 marks, 45 minutes. Total 190 questions, 200 marks and 160 minutes, means 2 hours 45, 2 hours 40 minutes. This is the exam pattern, and this is these questions like this you have to see in March 4, 2024 final exam. I'm giving best strategy, but you have to attempt 3 or 4 mock tests before going into the final exam, because I am giving attempt strategy and scoring strategy. You have to attempt once in before 2-3 mock test give, and then your hope will increase. Definitely your hope increase, practice will be more. So here there is no sectional cutoff for SBI, no sectional cutoff. Overall cutoff will be there. That's why mains exam and prelims exam. Now mains exam will very tough because of there is no sectional cutoff. If there is sectional cutoff, then they will give easiest question, but there is no sectional cutoff. That's why tough will be there. Questions are very tough for each and everyone. So let's begin. What is the attempt strategy and what is the scoring subjects? Quantitative aptitude, we have first quant. In quant, 25th February 2024, some of the students and aspirants are attempted 15 to 16 only, and some of them are attempted only 13 to 14, like this. But in this also 1 or 2 will be wrong. Definitely 1 or 2 will be wrong. Then your accuracy will not consider. If -1 will be there, your accuracy will not be considered. If you are attempted 12 question 100% accuracy, then you will get 1 marks will be added. Each 10 questions continuous accuracy, then will 1 added, and each 4 questions wrong, then 1 minus. These are the accuracy and normalization pattern. But your quantitative aptitude, if you are attempted 25, you are attempted 25 questions with 75% correct and 25% wrong, then you will get 16.25. okay, this is the good marks for selection of quantitative aptitude. Definitely we can get 15 to 16 only. Okay, next reasoning has some of them are attempted in 25th February 2024 only 28 to 29. But if you are attempting 36 with 75% correct and 25% wrong. I'm giving both the percentage. So you have to attempt like this only, then you will get 100% more marks. If you are attempted 36, then correct should be 28 and wrong should be 8. Then you will get, some of the questions are 1.25 marks in reasoning. So you will get 27 approximate. Okay, approximate you will get 27. 27 is enough for your selection, final selection. Next, English session. English has 40 questions. How many? 40 questions. 40 out of you should attempt 35, because English is a reading and learning. That's it. If you are read like a normal way, then you will get each and every grammar session and each meaning. Then you will attempt 35 questions easily. Don't skip any question, because of English is very easy for SBI Clerical Mains exam. It is scoring subject also. So if you are attempting 35 questions, correct should be 75% and wrong should be 25%. Then your correct will be 25 questions. Wrong will be 10 questions. Then you will get 22.50. How we are getting 22.50? In 25, 10 are wrong. Each 4 question will be -1. Here 10 questions wrong, then 2.5 will be deduction. Okay, 2.5 will be deduction from 25. Then you will get 22.50. Each 4 question wrong, then -1. Each 1 question will correct, then +1. This is the actually accuracy. If you are attempted like this, then you will get more marks. If you are attempted more questions, then you will get more marks. If you are attempting only 60, 70s, then your selection will not be happen at any time. So if you are attempting 90, 95, then you will get 70, 75, then easily get job in any state, any category. Next, GK. In GK, total questions 50 questions, 50 marks, 35 minutes here. 35 minutes. You are attempting 40 questions with 75% correct and 25% wrong. If you are attempted 40, correct should be 28, wrong should be 12, then you will get definitely 25. SBI Clerical Mains exam will not easy. I also knows I am given 2 times of SBI Clerical Mains exam, but not clear at a single time. Okay, 2 times I am failed in SBI Clerical Mains exam. So if you are having this strategy, this attempt strategy and scoring subjects, GK, English and reasoning, quant will be the 15 to 16 only. So then definitely clear SBI Clerical Mains exam. You have to attempt in before final exam, you have to attempt 3 or 4 mock tests by this strategy, 3 or 4 mock tests. Then you will get confidence about final exam. Definitely you will clear like this only. Those who are got in SBI Clerical Mains job, those who got SBI job, take one suggestion from them. They will definitely give this strategy only, because this is not a wrong strategy, this is definite strategy, because of we are taking 75% correct and 25% wrong ratio. This two ratio will consider final exam. If you are attempting only 25 and each and every question has correct but one or two minus, then your accuracy will definitely not consider. So if you are attempting more, that is possible for clear the mains exam. If you are liking this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. I am feeling that this video is informative for you, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.